So there you heard the bell. The right hand was after the bell. I'd like to see another replay on that right hand in slow motion and see if it did connect cleanly with the throat, as Umar Khan is claiming it did, Rich. Yeah.
I mean, first off, did you all hear that man say Rogue was claiming that he hit him after the bell? The commentary team said they need to see it again. Really? He clearly hit that man after the bell. The commentary team is a disgrace. Just know that so many people want you to lose for some reason. Shame on one championship. It should have been a no contest. Now that you lost, people gonna come in and trash you. Those that love you and support you are still gonna be there for you. So go back to the gym and learn your craft and come back stronger. Don't let the defeat define you. See it as a setback for a major comeback. That's all we got for you, man. Let me know what you think about the fight. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Called a stop to this contest after 5 minutes in the second round for your winner by way of technical knockout, Kirill Grishchenko.
So there's the clarification. It's a TKO win for Kirill Grishchenko. Puts the first blemish on the record of Rich.
Ngannou. Yep, he's a heavy hitter. Yeah.
Adesanya, Israel. What's the other guy?
Usman.
Yeah. Lawrence Okoli. Anthony Joshua. Who else is there from Africa?
That's all we got for you. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.